In this video, I'm going to do the technical analysis of Dow Jones Industrial Average Index for the week commencing from January 10th, 2022. This technical analysis will be in two parts. First, I will do it on the weekly chart and then I will do it on the daily chart. So this way we will be able to get the most accurate results as we are getting for last many months. So before I do the technical analysis, see, if you see this candle, okay, that was formed on the daily chart on 7th of January. The low of this candle was 36,111. Okay, now this is the previous technical analysis. So in my last technical analysis, I told you that 36,110 is the most important, is the most critical support here for the market. Whatever happens, whenever market comes, whenever it hits 36,110, it will hold. It will hold. Okay. And if you see here in the chart, it is 36,111. Exactly what I told you last week. Okay, this particular support. Okay, and I marked it as very important support. Now if you see here, we have very good support at 36,110. So in my previous technical analysis, in my previous videos, I have told you the importance of 36,110 many times. Then comes 35,000. Okay, so this was what I have told you last week, 36,110, and in the previous videos, okay, in my previous technical analysis, okay, I have told you the importance of 36,110 again and again. Okay, so this is what you can see here. Also last week I told you that whatever happens, market will move up. Market will move up, and this is what you can see. On 3rd of January moved up, on 4th of January moved up. Okay, on 5th of January it was moving up, and then there was this update from the Feds, and because of that update, okay, it came down. Otherwise it was supposed to move up. And also I told you that year 2022 is the year of bubble. Okay, so expect a bubble burst, means the correction in the market in 2022. So market will come down in 2022 for sure, 100%. Okay, there will be this correction in the market. Anyways, let's do the technical analysis. So we will first begin with the weekly chart. Okay guys, so we are here on the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Weekly chart means one candle represents one day. Okay, not 1 hour, not 1 day. Sorry, weekly chart means one candle represents 1 week, not 1 hour or 1 day. One candle means 1 week. Now if you look into this, the last candle, okay, it's it's a small bearish candle with a long tail, okay, it's a small bearish candle. Okay, now it is not a perfect hammer. If it would have been a hammer, then for sure the market was supposed to come down in the coming week, in the week of January 10th, but it is not a perfect hammer. Okay, secondly, after hitting this 36,110, okay, that I am telling you for last many weeks, okay, after hitting 36,110, there was a retrace in the market. Okay, and then finally it closed around 36,220 or 221. Okay, which means that market got some support here, or some good support here at 36,110. Now what is expected to happen? So let's first do this, the technical analysis, and then we will see like what is supposed to happen on the weekly chart. Let me clear this numbers here. Okay, so see, first this the candle. Okay, so this is a small bearish candle, okay, and it is not a hammer, which means that market may try to come down, but eventually it will move back, means it will retrace, as simple as that. No engulfing, nothing else. Okay, so it may try to come down, but eventually it has to move back, means retrace. Now the technical analysis, if you see, this is the upper band of the Bollinger Band. Okay, This is the median of the Bollinger Band. Market is in between the upper band and the median of the Bollinger Band, which means the market is bullish. Okay. Now, if you see the moving averages, there is a clear fan out, and market is above all of these moving averages, and moving averages are in the clear fan out formation, which means market is bullish. Now comes the Ichimoku. If you see that market is trading above Ichimoku, it is not in the Ichimoku or not even near to the Ichimoku, which means market is bullish. Through moving averages, through Bollinger Band, through Ichimoku, market is bullish. Now let's look, let's see like what these other technical indicators are saying. If you see the MACD, so MACD is marginally bearish because MACD is 494 and the signal is 504. It is just marginally bearish. Okay. Then comes the stock RSI. So if you see the stock RSI, okay, it is again it is bullish because the K channel is 57 and the D channel is 50, which means it is bullish. Then comes the divergence, or divergence is normal. Okay, as of now, it is not creating any problem. Then comes the momentum. So momentum is almost dead. Momentum is not supporting neither the bulls nor the bears. So if we look into, through all of these technical indicators, except the MACD, okay, market is clearly bullish. Okay, but the MACD is marginally bearish. Otherwise the market is clearly bullish. Okay, so like I told you that this candle, okay, this candle that was formed for the week of January 3rd, okay, it is not a very heavy bearish candle, it is not a very heavy bullish candle. Okay, and it is also not a hammer, which means that yes, market seems like market is still bullish, and also all of the technical indicators are saying market is bullish. So whatever happens, it is going to retrace, it is going to rebound. Okay, this was on the weekly chart. Now let's move on to the daily chart to see how exactly market is going to behave or react on Monday, Tuesday, and for the rest of the days. Okay guys, so we are here on the daily chart. This is the daily chart. Daily chart means one candle represents one day, not 1 week or 1 hour. One candle means one day. So let me first write down the, these the support and resistances here. So this support and resistances, okay, fair enough. These support and resistances, if you see here, okay, it is 37,600, 37,600. Okay, then we have this immediate, okay, not immediate, this 37,150, 37,150. Then we have this one at 36,650, 36,650. Okay, then we have this one at 36,110. This is the golden support, 36,110. Again the importance of this 36,110. Okay, I have already described it in my previous videos, so I'm not going to uh, anyways. So then we have, another support, a good support at 35,700, 35,700. Okay, thereafter, because market has closed at 36,000 to 36,200, yes, it may come down. If it comes down, okay, then we have this support at 35,290. Okay, sorry, we have 35,290. Okay, then we have very heavy support. Okay, it is around 35,150, 35,150 or 115, you can say 150, not much difference for now. 150, 36,200. Okay, but still, finally we have the support at 34,530, 34,530. Okay, that's it. because in order to hit 35,150 or 34,550, okay, 530 market first has to cross the cloud. Okay, and the bulls, okay, they would not let it happen. So guys, these are the support and resistances for Dow Jones. Okay, now let's do the technical analysis. Okay, so here we are, this the technical analysis. Now let's do the technical analysis. Fair enough. This is the upper band of the Bollinger Band. Median is here. Market has closed just above the median, which means the market is bullish. That's good. Okay. Then comes the moving averages. Clear fan out, supporting the bull movement. Market is bullish. Then Ichimoku market is moving above Ichimoku. Okay, in the bull side of the Ichimoku market is bullish. Okay, now comes some other technical indicators. If you look into the MACD is clearly bullish because the MACD is 242 and the signal is 222. Okay. Now the stock RSI, if you see, stock RSI is bearish. Only stock RSI is bearish, okay, because the K channel is 58 and the D channel is 74. But yes, the good news is that the K channel is not below 50. K channel is still above 50. Okay. So that is also indirectly supporting the bulls. Then comes the divergence. So divergence is normal, not a problem. Momentum. So momentum is neither supporting the bulls nor supporting the bears. So through all of the technical indicators except the stock RSI, market is still bullish. So you may be seeing that market is bearish, but no, market is bullish through all of the technical indicators except the stock RSI. Okay. So let's see now what is expected to happen in the coming week. So market for somehow market was able to hold above 36,110. Now again, this 36,110 is going to play a very important, very critical role in the movement of the market. Like I told you that market is in bubble, and this 2022, this is the year of bubble. So this bubble will burst, but not now. This is just the first week, the second week of January. So bubble never burst in the first or second week of January. Okay, it will take some time, maybe end of January or early February, or the end of the last leg of the quarter. Okay, not now. So what you can expect is that on Monday, okay, if all markets are good, Asian markets and European markets, then it will hold here. Okay, it will hold here, and then from here it will try to rebound. If it fails to hold here, then it will come down. Okay, and then it will try to rebound. So whatever is going to happen here, market is going to rebound because it has to come down. Market has to come into the correction, and whenever it comes into the correction, it will come down heavily. Okay, so as of now, market is not coming into the correction. So first the market will build some high around 37,000. Okay, this is the psychological this level at 37,150 or maybe above that. Once it is there, okay, around 37,150, 37,200. Okay, then by the end of January, yes, only we can expect that market is now coming into the correction. But as of now, market is going to retrace. So see that if on Monday, okay, if the market holds here, okay, or above this 36,110, then it will retrace. But if for some reason if it comes down, okay, then it will hit the moving average. Okay, and then we have the support 35,700, and earlier 35,700 it has proved as critical support and critical resistance, which means that after hitting 35,700 it will again retrace. Okay, so it will retrace. uh, this is what is expected to happen. So it is it is very 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 simple and very clear here. Okay, so all you need to do is to look for the market, like what is happening on Monday. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so guys, I have given the link to my Google spreadsheet, about that, the Discord spreadsheet, in the description of the video. Okay, so you can take a look, and if you are ready to join, so just drop me an email. And also I have given the link to my options trading program. So whenever you want to join the program, okay, so you are welcome. So guys, this was my technical analysis for the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index for the week commencing from January 10th 2022.